Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seat while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked along on narrow streets of cobblestone, near the hill of the street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the restless night I saw